Describe a time when someone who did quite well in a team.
Woohoo! It's time to learn follow-up questions.
What qualities should a leader have?
Well, effective leadership requires a combination of vision, integrity, empathy, decisiveness, resilience, communication skills, accountability, adaptability, empowerment, and passion. While no leader is perfect, continually developing and refining these qualities can significantly enhance one's ability to lead effectively and inspire others to achieve greatness.
What should people do without a good team leader?
While the absence of a good team leader can pose challenges, it also presents opportunities for team members to step up, collaborate, and develop their skills and capabilities. By fostering open communication, shared responsibilities, clear goals, and a supportive team culture, team members can work together effectively, even in the absence of formal leadership.
Does a team's best player make a good leader?
While a team's best player may have the potential to be a good leader, it is not a guarantee. Leadership is a complex and multifaceted skill that requires a combination of qualities and abilities that go beyond athletic talent alone. It's essential to assess an individual's leadership potential based on their character, interpersonal skills, and ability to inspire and unite their teammates, rather than solely on their performance on the field or court.
Why do some people dislike teamwork?
While a team's best player might possess valuable qualities and skills that can contribute to their success on the field or court, these qualities don't automatically make them a good leader. Leadership requires a unique combination of interpersonal skills, emotional intelligence, humility, resilience, and a focus on the collective success of the team. It's possible for a team's best player to develop these leadership skills over time with the right guidance, mentorship, and experiences. But being a great player and being a great leader are not synonymous.
Do you think young people are good team players?
While teamwork can be a valuable and rewarding experience for many people, it is not always preferred or suitable for everyone. Individual preferences, past experiences, personality traits, and communication skills can all influence a person's attitude towards collaboration. It is essential to recognize and respect these differences to create a supportive and inclusive work environment that accommodates various working styles and preferences.
What are the advantages of working as part of a team?
Part of a team offers a range of advantages that can contribute to individual growth, organizational success, and the achievement of shared goals. By leveraging the diverse skills, knowledge, and strengths of team members, organizations can foster innovation, improve productivity, enhance communication, and create a supportive and collaborative work environment.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.